Rainy days. I love days filled with endless drops of rain. I close my eyes, rhythmic drops cleanse my pain. I have learned to stay away from southbound lanes. What sets your soul ablaze, desire-filled flames, are the same flames that reduce you, leaving nothing except black ash and chains. Chains that bound, misplaced blame, and has no shame. Foolish games, and now the rain washes away your name. Set me free and wash our remnants down the drain. My written words that once included drops of our champagne, our hidden details, I let someone else claim. Our love is being extinguished by these fallen drops of rain. I love days filled with endless drops of rain.